my super babies, today's video is going to be on how to follow blood group diet. Yes, blood group diet, guys. I know I have made so many videos on it. Many videos. Check in the description box. There's already too many videos. But today it's going to be how to follow it. Because I have got so many messages and mails as to they don't know how to follow blood group diet even after following and buying the book. But yes, I'm going to tell that today. And guys, please, after this video, please start following it. So guys, here is my book. Now if you're new to this video and to my channel, you need to buy the book, guys. I brought it from Flipkart. So I'll post in the link in the description box. Go and buy the book and then watch this video. So yeah, you got your blood group diet finally in your hands. Before that, you need to know what is your blood group. And if you don't know, shut this video right now because there's no use. First check out what is your blood group and then get back to me. Yeah, so yes, you need to know what is your blood group, and yeah, then you got the magical book in your hand, and yes, here begins a new life. That's happened to me, guys. So you have all our blood groups in this, from O to A to B to AB. Now if you're O negative or you're O positive, you don't have to worry because it is the O blood group. Same goes with the B, same goes with the A, and same goes with the AB. It's just the same for everything. So if you're coming into A negative, just follow A blood group. It's coming for everything. If you're negative or you're positive, it doesn't really matter. You just have to follow what's given in the title as to O blood group or A or B or AB. So as I am O blood group, I will start talking about O because I do not know about any other blood group. So as for O blood group, first they have written as to type O. And they described what is type O: the hunter, the meat eater, hardy digestive tract, overactive immune system, intolerant to dietary and environmental adaptations, responds best to stress with intense physical activity, requires an efficient metabolism to stay lean and energetic. Yeah, that is so true. Guys, I'm really sorry for the sounds because I'm sitting in the window to get the perfect lighting. But yeah, the noise is unavoidable. So that's how it goes about in the type O diet. Now in this diet, they have explained as to what makes us gain weight and what makes us lose weight. So we have to read it very patiently. The first most important thing, guys, when you get this book, you have to be very patient. You have to read it. I have read it so many times and still it's not enough. You have to keep reading it to know that what you can intake more in your life. Then comes the weight loss factor, which is most important for most of our fluffy babies. So yeah, they explain as to what is good and what we should avoid and what we should eat so that it just works out in our body. And then comes to another category as to foods that encourage weight gain and foods that encourage weight loss. Pay very good attention to that, guys. You have to follow that really strictly, and if you follow that super strictly, it's going to be beneficial to you only. So then comes meat, and then seafood, eggs, oils and fats and nuts and seeds and beans and pulses, cereals, and it goes on. Vegetarians out there have told me that blood group diet is mostly for non-vegetarians and they do not have much options because they are vegetarians. That's really crap. If you read it properly, really well, there is a lot of options because lots of options for vegetarians also. So yeah, for each category, that like the seafood, grains, everything is divided into highly beneficial, neutral and avoid. Highly beneficial works like a medicine, neutral works just like a food, and avoid is working like a poison. So keep that in your head. What is written in the avoid section, you need to avoid that completely. If you're going to take that, it's going to be poison for you ultimately. So yeah, that's always stuck in my head as to what's written in avoid. I try to avoid as much as I can. It's not so easy to avoid, especially if you're busy. It's very difficult to avoid what is supposed to be avoided. But yes, I try my best because I know I can live a better life if I avoid what is coming in the avoid section. So highly beneficial and neutral is what you're supposed to eat. Just don't eat what's highly beneficial. You have to eat what is neutral too to balance your diet. So yeah, you've got loads of options and I think that's enough for you. So you have loads of options, my babies. You have to eat what is highly beneficial. You have to eat what's neutral and avoid what is in the avoid section. That's all, guys, and you will have a better life. Now, my super babies, this diet has suited me for sure without fail. This has given me life actually. Seriously, on serious notes, this has given me life, super life. Sorry guys, the electricity is gone and I don't know why it went. It's already so hot. I'm wearing too many clothes right now and yeah, the light goes. So yeah, let's get back to the topic. So if you want to follow it at your own risk. I'm not liable for anything. I love this diet and that's why I keep telling everyone about this diet. Whether it will suit you or not, no idea. Everyone's body is different. But yeah, mine and my friends and my family's bodies came to be something similar and it is suited each one of us. So I feel it might suit you too, but yeah, teri mercy. Oh, don't talk here. Light went just now. That's all, my super babies. I'm sorry if my nose looks a little red. I suddenly got some itchy feeling and my nose turned out to be very itchy and I itched it and it looks so red and glossy right now. That's all, my super babies. If you found this video useful, do hit a like. It really means a lot to me. If you have more doubts after you buy the book, please let me know. If you want to buy the book, check in the description box. You will get the link to directly buy the book. That's all, my super babies. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Squeezing my eyes. It's watering. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, girls, please subscribe. That's all. Now my energy is all drained out. I made a quick video to let you know, guys, how to follow it, and yeah, please follow it.